Hey, Teddy K here for Best Buy Plugin, and in this video review, we take a look at the Ultimaxx LED Light Kit. This is a singular light source that you can attach to any camera, camcorder, or cell phone when taking photos or video. The Ultimaxx LED Light Kit is meant to play a supporting role. So you want to illuminate a subject, you want to add some light to whatever it is you're shooting, whether it's photos or video. This is kind of what this is supposed to do. And it's a bit small. I'm going to get into some of the basics of how it works and what you can expect. Okay, so first things first, some of the specs. Now, there are 36 LEDs arrayed in here. It goes as far as about 25 feet, and then you're looking at about 65 degrees going either way when it comes to how wide the light actually spans out. Now, it's 180 lux. There's no way to adjust how bright or dim the light goes. A bit of a drawback, I think, because if you were able to control those things, then at least you could play around a little bit more with the light, or at least add a gel to it or something like that. What you'll have to do is improvise in most cases, but Ultimaxx does give you an option to expand what you already have. So on the light itself, there are brackets all along these three sides. You can basically put in other ones just like this and then create kind of like a larger light source. I didn't get the chance to do this, so I didn't test it out. I didn't get the chance to test it out, but I could see the appeal to that. But that's, I would assume, if you wanted something that was far bigger. So for example, if you had like 6 of them arrayed, you'd have a pretty wide and pretty bright light to work with there. But there are several other lights that already work where you have a larger size. In fact, Ultimaxx has one called the 54 for just that reason. The light also does come with this bracket. So the bracket, the idea of course is that you basically screw on the light on one side and then you could have a camera over here. Or you put the light here and then screw in the camera. I mean, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The hot shoe makes it easy to just put the light on and then just have the camera on this side. Although Ultimaxx doesn't mention smartphones, there is technically a way to do it. So I did, I used a bit of a mount that I had that worked with a selfie stick, which I was able to detach and then put on this and kind of shoot that way. Now, even underneath here, you have a screw mount as well. I sort of MacGyvered something where I put a selfie stick under there just for a bit of a better grip. It's not ideal. It's not the best way to shoot video using the light, but it's there. And in any case, I mean, the fact is that this is very much it's a straight line product. I don't know how else to describe it really. It serves one purpose. It's just to illuminate whatever it is you're shooting. And whether you put it on top of a camera or you use it next to a camera or you place it somewhere, off camera so that it's illuminating the subject from a different angle. Maybe you get a few of them and then you play around with the lights that way. Maybe you put it on a selfie stick and just angle it in a different way. I mean, there's a lot of ways you can utilize it, but because it's fairly small, you're not going to get as bright or as wide a light as you might want. So to me, I found the advantage of using this was more so for close quarters. So if you're shooting something in macro, maybe you're shooting something really close up. The 25 feet to me is a spec, but it's not, reality just didn't look like that to me at all. I mean, 5 feet I think was more realistic as far as the light really actually making a difference in the shot. And that's my review of the Ultimaxx LED Light Kit for Best Buy Plugin. I'm Teddy K. Thanks for watching.